teach you how to find backlink opportunities using Semrush Backlink Gap. If you want to see who's linking to your competitors but not to you, this tool lays it out clearly so you can focus your outreach where it counts. By following along, you'll quickly turn competitive insights into an actionable prospect list. Log in to semrush.com, then in the left sidebar, click Backlink Gap. This report compares your site's backlink profile with up to 4 competitors and surfaces domains that link to them, not you. It's a fast way to discover proven link sources in your niche. Depending on your plan, you may see more or fewer results, but the workflow stays the same. Enter your domain in the first field. Use your main domain for the broadest view unless you're analyzing a specific subdomain or folder. In the remaining fields, add up to 4 competitor domains, then click Compare Domains. Pick competitors that share keywords or audience with you to keep suggestions relevant. If you serve multiple segments, consider rotating different competitors in separate passes to cover each segment thoroughly. You'll see the backlink opportunities table. This is the core of the report. Websites currently linking to your competitors but not to you. Scan for reputable topical domains. Relevance beats sheer volume, so favor sites likely to be interested in your content and ignore anything that looks spammy. This table gives you a prioritized shortlist, saving you time you'd otherwise spend searching manually. To review everything, click Referring Domains. This shows the full list of potential sources and helps you spot patterns, like industry blogs, directories, or news outlets that cover your space. Open a few examples to see what they link to and how your content fit. If multiple competitors have links from the same site, that's a good sign the publisher covers your topic regularly. Then check anchor text to understand the context of each backlink. Anchor text reveals why a link exists. Brand mentions, product pages, or educational resources. Use that insight to shape your pitch, mirror the content type they prefer, and choose the best destination page on your site. Aligning with the existing context improves your chances of getting a yes. If you want to stay organized, export the list for outreach or tracking. Sorting and tagging prospects makes follow-up easier and keeps your link building efforts measurable and consistent. You'll be able to track responses and refine your approach over time. That's how you find backlink opportunities using Semrush Backlink Gap. Use this strategy to build high-quality backlinks and improve SEO. Subscribe for more tutorials.